Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fajitas on the grill, ensuring a delicious and satisfying meal. First, choose a skirt or flank steak, ideal for grilling. Prepare a vibrant marinade with citrus juice, olive oil, and plenty of fajita seasoning, coating the meat completely. Allow the steak to marinate for at least 2 hours, ideally overnight, in the refrigerator for maximum flavor. Meanwhile, slice bell peppers and onions into uniform 1/4-inch strips, ready for their grill time. Begin by preheating your grill to a high heat, aiming for about 475 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat is crucial for achieving a beautiful sear on your meat. Arrange your coals or burners to create both a direct, high heat zone and an indirect, lower heat zone. This setup allows you to cook ingredients at different rates. For the vegetables, use a perforated grill pan or cast iron griddle. This prevents smaller pieces from falling through the grates. Place your marinated steak directly over the high heat zone. Sear it for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, aiming for a beautiful crust and a medium-rare doneness. If needed, move it to the indirect heat zone to finish cooking. Simultaneously, cook your prepped bell peppers and onions in the grill basket over medium-high heat, stirring every few minutes. They should be tender crisp in about 7 to 9 minutes. Once done, remove both steak and vegetables from the grill, allowing the steak to rest for at least 5 minutes. After resting, slice the steak thinly against the grain. This is crucial for maximum tenderness. Warm your tortillas on the grill for about 30 seconds per side, making them pliable and slightly charred. Gather your delicious grilled steak and tender crisp vegetables. Assemble your fajitas on warmed tortillas, offering your favorite toppings. Include fresh pico de gallo, creamy guacamole, and cool sour cream. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly grilled fajitas for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.